Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by opening Settings with Win+, so you don't waste time. Once Settings is open, go straight to Personalization and choose Lock Screen. This groups display and lock options. Make sure you scroll to find the Screensaver settings link and click it. This opens the classic Screensaver settings dialog that controls the legacy screensaver behavior. You're in the right place to change or disable the saver. Don't close anything yet, because the next step is to adjust choices. Now that the dialog is open, look at the Screensaver dropdown and choose None to disable it immediately. This is the simplest, most reliable method. If you prefer to keep a saver but delay activation, increase the wait time to a larger number of minutes, and uncheck on Resume, display Logon screen if you don't want a password prompt. Use the Preview button to confirm what will happen, because a quick test saves time. Once satisfied, move on to Apply and finalize the change. Finish by clicking Apply and then OK so Windows commits your choice. Don't skip Apply or the setting may not stick. You should test immediately by locking the PC with Win+L and waiting slightly longer than the previous wait time to verify nothing activates. If the screensaver still appears, make sure other settings like Power Plans, third-party utilities, or group policy aren't forcing it. You can run the screensaver control directly or inspect registry and policy settings to find overrides. If needed, I can walk you through those checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.